If you're wondering how to send money from PayPal to someone using Ria Money Transfer, here's the truth. You can't send funds directly from PayPal to Ria. However, there's a simple workaround that makes it possible. You'll first move your PayPal balance to your linked bank account, and then use that same bank account to send money through. Start by logging into your PayPal account and heading to your wallet. From there, choose Transfer Money and select Transfer to your bank. Pick the bank account you want to use. Enter the amount you want to move, and review the details before clicking Transfer Now. This step might take a few minutes or a couple of business days, depending on your bank. Once your funds are in your bank account, open the Ria Money Transfer app or go to their website. Log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Choose the country you want to send money to, enter the amount, and select your bank account as the payment method. Next, fill in the recipient's information including their full name, address, and phone number, and choose how they'll receive the money, such as through a cash pickup or a direct bank deposit. Review all the transfer details, including the exchange rate and fees, to make sure everything looks correct, then confirm the transfer, and that's it. While you can't send money directly from PayPal to Ria, transferring through your bank account is quick, safe, and reliable. Once your transaction is confirmed, your recipient will receive the funds using the delivery option you selected.